ho ofeye wo your mama na wodi mu asema mekan me de ma akwa aba kasa mfoni afidie a friend no Adom TV so medium je so e wo somfo ni takotego na yumedie we e nkwanhyemre yeguso a e bisa se aso ebehia se yebetintim krata na yahwehwe bubura ane adwumadie bi a yedi bia ne won krata yetintim eba no semtwere adwuma eba no politics ba ye mpo eba no law na nursing na doctor for yetintim krata yesua sa na nipa so se wunya wa krata ye fe no personal handbook or personal manual onyame bo soronko na yekọ wiase atoye ekopie empo epie a ye hunu obi ote se wo sempo obi te se wo a onte se wo pepepepepe wo da soronko enti wo ne yeso so se da soronko na wo dimu na ya hyenso de de ma wo kasa wo suban se da soronko na ye wo no de ko ba ne se ejane ena otete wo no wo de mo su enimpo osu ahunu etetew. You were trained based on the experiences and the patterns of thinking of your parents. You were trained based on teachers and peers and other given people. So who you are today is a collection of everyone you met on the road to your development. And the nipa offer say wono ye kabo mu a ye nipa sonko a e kabo mu a e ma abrabo ba ye dia waye. To so asem ye Ghana ni me Christo ni me Muslim ni me nipa tuntum me dem ye tetia. You give yourself names that are wrong in the first place. You were not made a Christian. You were not made a Muslim. Neither were you made a Ghanaian, black or white. You were made an original copy of the image and likeness of a creator. Yo se obia otimi yo ade nyina su ene ban. Eno ntina ede mra na sese ohweso edibo bra. Christo formra, Muslim formra, Ghana formra, nipatuntumra. O ma me no papa akura bi mra. Hwe sa mra we nyina ye. Ba sese otrase ebisa won se emra na ye de tete won emu dia won ene ka wo hye. Emu dia won ene hye wonkuran. Emu dia won na ema onyansa ma otumpon. Emu dia won na ma sabe hu abomfia. Emu dia won na ma untimi emu bura se da pɛ no. What concepts are you following? How do you form ideas to move out from where you are to your new place of greatness? You were made for a reason, which informed how you were made. And you were made to function in a particular way. Your soronko babere bibi so da soronko. Your sebra na beda subembi di. Na ma ewiase so nya de bi mfaso ho so. Ya nya se betra keke. Ya nya se enipa keke. Your se wo ye ensano adwuma. Ya se wo so pesuban ye bibi. To start, you need to have a map of the life you so desire and find out whether it is in line with your life's purpose. On se ope krata, on se ye tu kwan ya. If you be GPS and a map, me go Kumasi, GPS na de me afa. And me one year na me go do Kumasi. Wa bra bo so here GPS, I friend a map. A bet chire baby abefa na nea wo fa no. E se hunu se aso eni senti e bo wo no e bo bura ana enne ke se ani a eyie. The way you are going today, is it meeting your life purpose or you are going wayward? Ebi e bo se be 2 minutes 100 meters. O so start America na bro obawe. Ana ye bo se be ye marathon. Se te kiti be bre. Obia ye wo America ye de ma se be tu abrabom. Eno ntino bisa se America mi tu na abrabom no. Aso ene se de ye bo me se meyo no e bo bra. Ana empo esi ani pepepe. Your life is supposed to be in line with how you were programmed to function. Sabe, maybe out here, kwambia no abe show TV, no I TV nka say radio, debi. U show TV na o hwe say picture bebe ni. Se picture na man ni a, te say TV na say. So also radio na TV no anhwe ye na TV hu mfoni o TV na radio na ni mo say, "Hey, radio na mfoni abeso yi." Radio e wona djuma wo ye. E na TV so wona djuma wo ye. Enti wo so you adwuma o de ba obeyon. Therefore, what you came to fulfill must occupy your thoughts and your imaginations. Begin to think and imagine how your real and original self should be. Start to say utwe mfoni afa nipa a wo yo ho ene senti a wo ba ho o wadwen proso. Sha se utwe mfoni o wadwen proso betin kra tintim wo kata so senti a ye bo se de awote de nti a wo ba wiase ene ne ya wo de ba ye. The purpose of your creation must be known to you. Abusia, when a major war, Amaka say, you are supposed to be living a life which is in line with why you are made. You are made for a reason. When I mean come, when I mean show some money, na mean nurse, na mean fan krama, na major war, when I mean,